this is like single square, and you put multiple squares one near another, and they will create beautiful bar, and it will look like a chart. So let's go. Now I am ready. I created a bunch of numbers, and some of them are negative numbers and some of them are zeros. We don't need those, we need only positive numbers. So I'll create a query. Just start typing Q and tab to autocomplete this query function for us. And I want to create an array, but this array will be of just one column, so it has no meaning for now. Just one column B. I close this array, and condition is when same column B is greater than 0. Okay, I hit enter to see if it's not a query, it's a filter. I am sorry, it was a filter function. Yeah, and it works because query is another type of function. It's also very powerful, but we don't want it now. We want our filter function. So we filter it out and we create just positive numbers out of this column of any numbers or blank numbers or something. And next we will do our repetition. We will repeat. Just show you rept in its pure view, so you can repeat any text. What text we will need to repeat? Just pipeline and comma how much we want. We want 50 of these pipelines. Okay. It says array is not found. It's just because this 50 is not linked to our row. So I'll just create not 50 but this number of what we've got. So we've got different numbers. So now it is an array and it doesn't give me an error, and you immediately see this beautiful chart, but it now in a default, I guess it's Arial font. I want to do it with some great condensed font like Oswald, so it will be like more, and make it bold so it will look more like a chart, like an actual chart. And let's paint it with some color so you can see. You can also use your imagination, use conditional formatting to paint it in different colors. For instance, it will be blue. Oh, sorry, not like this. It will be a color of text like blue. Okay, and I want to highlight 99 or everything which is greater than 60. So I will go and create new conditional formatting rule for that. And I'll call by formula. Custom formula is E, like we selected from 1, so I need also repeat 1, but it will be always column E, so I will add this $sign greater than 60, and you see it's now formatting what I need to, but this color should be none, and this color should be some colors to show us, to highlight greatest numbers. I don't know which color should it be. Okay, let it be like this, and you see it's great now. It looks great, but I want to close this. I will move my video circle to close. Okay, now you see it looks beautiful, but I wanted to show you with these squares. Okay, let's show it with orange square. No problem, and it will be char, not this, but orange square. Look, but now it's too big and it doesn't match my screen. And by the way, I have Windows on my machine, but if you have Mac, it will look more like a solid without these spaces. So it won't have this white spaces between. So in my example, I'd better use just pipeline, because they look the same and on Mac and on Windows, and they will look great. So I'll get rid of this squares. It just was for sample, just to use, just to show you that you can use any char, like emojis, giraffe emoji, anything for your formulas to make it fun. And you also may use different chars for different numbers. For instance, if you want add if condition, if this is greater than 70, then give me star, I don't know, else give me pipeline, oh sorry, pipeline, this one is pipeline, and close paren, don't forget this, I don't know why it's value, function wrap function, expect two values, but is it technically Kirsten number. Okay, I need to add how much times I want to add this. So I forgot this when I modified my formula. So I want to add this too, and to see next it will be char, because I replaced the second part, and now it should work. Wrapped what and how much? Wrapped what and how much? So first wrapped what and this if function, and next after this comma and how much, and now it should work. And you see, now it gives me asterisk when it greater than 70, let's say be greater than 60. Yeah, so you see different charts, but we don't actually want this. We want to just this sample pipeline. It's just enough for you to show. But one more secret. What if you don't want this number, but you want always some different number? Okay, no problem. We will create an integer int of our max value. Max value will be 50. It's how much pipelines, how much chars you want, divided by sorry, I need to think about it a little while. Divided by max, I think divided by max, divided by max of column. Yeah, so now you don't want to miss it, and multiplied by the value of this column, so just to make them different. I see an error again, formula parser. Okay, int, I forgot to close my paren, it's my common error, and now it looks okay. You see max is 50, so here if I will create a len for function and check what is len, it will be 50, because 50 was our max number. So please don't remember it, just create your own logic. 50 divided by max, it will always give you max 50, because 99 is 99, and 50 divided by 99 multiplied by 99 gives you 50, so it always will give you the max number, so you don't need to remember anything, just this logic. And that's it. Just create your own charts and share it in comments, and also please share your insights about this chart. What chart can you create with formulas? Maybe you can think of something else with repetition, like stars. You can create star rating and etc. with this technique. You can play with it, and please share in the comments what you got.